Uh, Welcome, our friend. This is Sydney Fang. This afternoon, I show you how Agate Slab we produce Agate Slab big size panel. Okay, in front of you, this is our factory produced agate. We are professional in this field, and now I show you. In my hand is a small pieces of the agate. We cut into small size, and after we get this size, we need to make some like this one. After we cut so many small pieces, we have get this. And next, we need to make the people, very professional people, to make the small pies, to make the small pieces assembled together in this board. This is the basic board is a glass, and we need to assemble the different size. You see, we have different big size. The shape is different, so we need to assemble them one piece by one piece, to make them put on the glass, the basement material. This is glass. We need to paste on the panel. The size can be 3 meter. The length can be 3 meter by the width 2 meter. A very big size panel. Yes. In this step, people must be so skillful because of the different size. You see, so different size. Some is very big, and some is so small. Some is big size and some is small size. So, like my colleague, he work this one, small piece by small piece, and after we finish this, we can get this step. After we finish the big size hole, we still need to make this thin, like this so thin, to put inside this one, and then we make this one push to put, because there are still some small space, so we still need some sand put into the space to move to fill all the space full of the agate material, like this, operation, to make all the space full of agate. It must be very patient and skillful worker do this work. And after we finish this step, we can get this panel. You see, after we get this step, we can get the panel in front of you, and you see. You see, this is the big size, small size, and this is the in this space we need some sand. Okay, and the surface of the panel are full of glue, resin, are full of resin. Okay, this size is 3 meter by 2 meter. 3 meter we can do the size up to 3 meter by 2 meter. Very big size. And the thickness is totally about the thickness is the total thickness is 2 cm. 2 cm. Oh, okay. And after this resin dry enough, we need to polish it. Temperature, because you see, when you see this one, it's very rough. It's very rough. You see, when the resin is glue enough in the surface, it's now it's glue. It's dry enough. We need to polish it. We need to polish the. You see like this, because when we cut the small pieces, the thickness is different. Maybe some is 10 and some is 1.2. So the thickness is different. So after we get the big size panel, we need to polish it. We need to polish the slab to make the surface feel so smooth. Okay. Now I will show you how we polish the panels. Follow me. In this machine, okay, let's first show this. You can hear the voice. You can hear the voice. This is the polish. This is the first step polish, because the agate is so hard. The agate is so hard. So this is first polish. You can see the noise. You can hear the voice. The noise is very noisy, and some create some fireworks, because the agate are so hardness. So when the polish machine, it needs to very fast speed, then to remove some different thickness into the same water level. This step we do this. Okay, just focus on. You can see, you can hear the voice, very big noise, because agate are so hardness. So this is first polish. We need to make a big pressure. We make this first step. We need to make big pressure on the surface of the agate, and then we can remove all the slab into the same water level to make the thickness into the same water level. Yeah. We first step try to polish it as flat as possible. Okay. After we finish this step, we come into the second step. We get this one. After we get the first step, we can get this one. You can see, come closer. You can see it's much more smooth. It's much more smooth, not like before. You can see this too. It's much more flat, much more flat. Okay, it's flat, but this is the step two. It's also rough, and then we still need to make some reason, put some reason on the surface. Come closer. Like this one. Like this one, we still like to put some resin on the surface, and then after the resin dry enough, we come to the step 3 to polish it again. Remember, we need to two times polish. Okay, okay, follow me. In this one, you see, you cannot hear the voice. You cannot hear the noise voice, because come closer. Because it's so smooth. You can see. Also, you cannot hear the correct big size noise, because after we first step, we remove all the rocks into very flat. So this step actually is very smooth. And now this is the polish process. After we finish this polish, we can get a very shining agate big size panel. After we finish it, the slab all process are finished. Then we can get a very beautiful agate panels. Okay, and we can do the size biggest, the length 3 meters, and by the width 2 meters. You can get one piece 6 centimeter, very big size. And of course, this agate slab we can do so many applications. In the villa, in the apartment, in the dining table, in the kitchen, all applications you can imagine. You can use agate slab. Agate are very luxury stone and are so popular. People like this very much. Okay. After we finish the polish, this is our finished product. You can get very big size panel with all different kinds. This is like this, very big size, and the button is glass. The bottom is glass, and the surface is all kind of different color. You can see different color. So many different colors. This is blue, and this is the crystal color. This is crystal. We have so many different color of the agate, and after so many steps process, then we can get very big size panel, like this size. The biggest size we can finish is 3 meter by 2 meter, very big size. Okay, I will show you some finished. Then they have a question. Outer we want to do cut two sides. That's this one, like this one. This is cut two sides. Okay, I will show you. In my hand, this is the red color, and we do the cut two sides. The size is 80 by 80, 80 by 80. Cut two sides. Our client want to use this on the floor, on the kitchen, on the bedroom, for the villa. Of course, we can do almost any size, almost any shape, different shape, because you can use water jet to cutting, and then we can design different shape and design different cases for villa, bedroom, kitchen, table, anything you can use it. Okay, I will show you something more. So many different colors. Agate are colorful, and so many different colors. So yes. Okay, and about how to use the agate application, and we have already finished some cases, and later we will post to our Alibaba website, and if once you are interested, please freely let me know, and we will connect you as soon as possible to help you use this beautiful material in your building, in your business. Okay, now we will finish our TV show, and hope to meet you next time. Okay, bye bye. 可以吗？